Finally, a never-before-seen Batmobile in LEGO form. But how big is this going to be? Does it have any hidden features? And what about that minifigure? Is it an exclusive one? Let's find out. My name is Zoltan. Let's build. Alright, so the very first Batman Forever Batmobile set has finally arrived. And with the unfortunate passing of Val Kilmer, it might have become even more iconic. This is a 12 plus set with the set number 76304 and it contains 909 pieces. We are still before the official release. It will hit the shelves on August 1st and the launch price will be €100 or dollars, so the price per piece ratio is around 11 cents, not exactly cheap. Now, the biggest surprise for me was the size. 909 pieces isn't that many, and yet the final model will be 16 inches long and 6.5 inches tall. That's pretty awesome. Alright, so we have 10 numbered bags and we have this small pouch. What is exactly this? Ooh, this is the brand new windshield piece. To the Batmobile, here's a small sticker sheet. It's not that bad, and here's the manual, which will be 158 pages long, but unfortunately we have no extra details of this beautiful car, so nothing else to do. I'm gonna start this build right now. And let's see those tiny details. Alright, so this set turned out kind of weird. It's neither minifig scale nor a huge display piece. Size-wise, it lands somewhere between the massive 1989 Batmobile and the regular smaller minifig scale cars. So yeah, the size choice is definitely interesting, but thankfully it's still packed with details. Now, the set includes an almost entirely unique Val Kilmer style Batman minifigure. Except for the legs and face, everything is new. Even the cowl. While it looks similar to previous ones, this one is gunmetal grey. Actually, the whole figure is in gunmetal grey. I simply love it. Take a good look at the torso. Everything is spot on. The iconic yellow bat symbol on the belt, the large silver logo on his chest, it's all there. And yes, he's got a cape too, which is also a unique piece. It's similar to the Keaton style Batman cape, but not molded together with the cowl. It's hard to show in video, but the material feels a bit softer. When you take the cowl off, underneath is a face print LEGO has used for years. Not just for Batman, but for Draco Malfoy, or even a random elf from the Lord of the Rings sets. You also get this special display stand, matching the car's neon blue pattern with a Riddler-style Batman logo, and the Batman Forever title. But now let's talk about the building experience. Alright, so the build starts with the chassis, which is incredibly simple, basically the most basic solution possible. But even by the end of Bag 1, you start to see some neon blue parts pop up. Speaking of neon blue parts, check out these new 2x4 pieces, they are going to look awesome inside the car. Then came with the, I think it was the engine, question mark, but this is the front of the car and it's jet powered anyway, so those molded engine blocks are probably for something else, I don't know. Next came the fenders, all four are identical at this stage. Then the front section of the car. This kind of triangular piece, and naturally it's got even more blue parts underneath. Then we move on to the cockpit area, though there were not a ton of details added just yet. Then came this weird square-shaped section, maybe part of the roof or the sides, I wasn't sure at that point. Turns out this is the upper body of the car. It's like a monocoque piece, like in race cars, and pretty cool how it just slides neatly into place. And hey, what is Batman without bats? You actually have to build two bats into the car. They won't be visible later, but still, a nice little Easter egg. Then the jet engine came together. Interestingly, the base part spins, but the nozzle doesn't. And finally came this, well, what should I call it? The trunk lid. That's where the comically oversized rear wing attaches, complete with brand new parts that I'm sure will be popular in castle builds. So yeah, like I said before, this Batmobile size and scale are unusual, but far from small. The finished model is 6.5 inches high, 16 inches long and 5 inches wide. The glossy black piece is looking amazing and the transparent blue elements work surprisingly well. Sure, actual lighting would be even cooler, but honestly, I don't miss it that much here. But now let's see the tiny details. Alright, so where the hood would normally be, there is a new printed piece, of course in neon blue, that lifts up to reveal some hidden weapons underneath. And check out those rims, or wheel covers. They feature a signature Batman logo against a neon blue background. The wheels themselves are pretty random, but the caps cover them nicely. If I had to nitpick, I'd mention the ground clearance, my finger easily fits under the car, but I let it go this time. Also, they could have put wider tires on the back, the narrow ones kinda break the illusion. Now take a closer look at the front end. It's a beautiful mix of neo-Gothic plus Art Deco and biomechanical styles. This blend shows through in the Lego set as well. That wide side ribs gives off real biomechanical vibes, and the grey and blue parts beneath make it look like it's glowing. Obviously it's not, but hey, I'll take it, even without LEDs. Onto the cockpit now. The windshield is a new printed part. Thankfully printed, not stickered. It can be removed, revealing two all-black seats and a neon blue tunnel-like piece in the middle, and the dashboard with sticker detailing. And finally, we get to the hilariously huge Batwing ship rear spoiler. Yeah, just like in the movie. And slightly adjustable too. Even if that wasn't the real goal, it just ended up that way. The rear jet engine looks fantastic, though it's missing that signature blue flame. We totally could have had one here. And check this out, we got even red taillights. They pop up nicely against all that black. And fun fact, remember that super simple chassis from earlier? Yeah, it never got covered up. So you can still see all those colorful Technic beams with that huge holes underneath. Looks a bit odd to me. So, to sum it up, this car is packed with excellent detailing. The neo-Gothic Art Deco biomechanical design combo is beautifully captured. The new parts are great and the exclusive figure is a huge plus. But, because there is always a but, I'm going to nitpick here. The ground clearance isn't the best. The rear tires could have been wider, and if the real car had that neon blue glow, few LEDs wouldn't hurt in this model. Still, despite all that, this is a must-have set for every Batman fans. So guys, now is your turn. What do you think of this set? Let me know in the comments below, and if you like what you saw, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!